Hello everyone, let's make Moringa soup for the new moms. It helps in increasing production of breast milk. For making the soup, properly clean some moringa leaves. Generally, new moms face hair loss problem after delivery, where moringa promotes hair growth. Add some ghee in the pan followed by some cumin seeds. Now fry some chopped onions and tomatoes. Moringa supplies calcium requirements to the body. Now add salt as per the taste. Add the moringa leaves to the pan and fry them for few minutes. Never overcook the leaves as it may kill all the vital nutrients. For cooking the leaves, add some hot water into the pan. Blend the mixture till smooth using a hand blender or a regular blender. But make sure before blending you bring the temperature of the mixture to normal. Cook it for few more minutes by adding some black pepper powder in it. Serve it in a bowl and garnish it with some fresh cream and some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. Consume it in moderation as excess quantity may cause harmful effects. For more such videos, follow Mylo and don't forget to hit subscribe button.